Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to code the data in Excel so that we can analyze the quantitative data in SPSS. Nowadays we collect data with the help of Google Form. So let's first understand how to download data file from Google Form. First, open in tab the Google Form of your questionnaire. Then click on Responses. When you click on Responses, this screen will open up. On the screen, click on Google Sheet icon. When you click on Google Sheet icon in a new tab, Excel sheet will open up. You need to download this Excel sheet. To download this Excel sheet, click on File, then Download and Microsoft Excel. Your sheet will get downloaded and further modification can be done for data analysis. After understanding how to download the Excel sheet from Google Form, now let us understand the meaning of coding. Coding is converting the qualitative and the quantitative data into the language understandable by the software. For example, if you have collected the data about the age of the respondent in the form of the categories like less than 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 years and above, then they need to be coded. In this case, we can assign numbers to the various categories, like less than 25 can be assigned 1, 25 to 35 can be assigned 2, 35 to 45 3, 45 to 55 4, and 55 years and above 5. Coding can be done on the basis of measurement scale. There are three types of measurement scale in SPSS. First one is nominal, second ordinal, and the third is scale. Nominal scale are the scale which have categories but they do not have any order or rank. Example of nominal scale are the place where you live and your gender. So the gender can be divided into two categories, male and female, where male can be coded as 1 and female can be coded as 2. Ordinal scale are those which have categories and they have order and rank of the categories. For example, if you're asking for level of satisfaction for a product in a questionnaire, you have used 5-point Likert scale from highly satisfied to highly dissatisfied. In this case, highly dissatisfied will be given 1, dissatisfied 2, neutral 3, satisfied 4, and highly satisfied will be coded as 5. In scale, we have values in terms of numerical data. For example, if in your questionnaire you are taking data of age in years, so the data can vary from 1 to 100 years. The data will be already in the form of numeric, therefore already coded. This is the data that we had collected and downloaded from Google Form. Now we will do all the coding in the Excel and then transfer it into the SPSS. The coding will be done on the basis of measurement scale, that is nominal, ordinal, and scale. For example, if you see over here gender. Gender has two categories, male and female. Since we cannot assign any order to them, it will be a nominal scale. So we will be assigning male as number 1 and female as number 2. To do the coding, we will go to sort and filter and click on Filter. Now, on this arrow button, we will click and then we will select Mail and click on OK. Wherever there is mail, we will write as 1. We will write it for few and then scroll it down for others. So, male will be coded as 1. Similarly, we will do it for female. We will go to filter and click on female and click on OK. Wherever there is female, we will write 2. We will write it for few and then scroll it down for others. So, our coding is complete. To see it, we will select both 1 and 2 in filter and click OK. Now, wherever there is 1, it means male, and wherever there is 2, it means female. This is the process of coding for nominal scale. For the ordinal scale, the data is already in the form of numeric. For example, over here, already there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means it is in the form of Likert scale. You need not to do any coding if you have collected data with the help of Likert scale. In this video, we have learned how to code data in Excel. In my next video, we will learn how to enter this data in the SPSS and how to do further analysis on that data. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.